Śīrṣāsana, the headstand. Sit in Vajrasana. Take a forearm gap between your elbows and place them on the mat. Interlock your fingers while keeping the elbows fixed at the same place. Supporting your head with your palms, place the crown of your head on the mat. Slowly straighten your knees and walk towards your head. Lift your feet up slowly until your spine straightens. As you breathe in, slowly lift your legs up by bending your knees. Straighten your hip joint with your knees pointing up. Once you feel balanced, gradually straighten your legs and stretch your toes up. Maintain normal breathing. Feel the blood rushing towards your head. Stay here for a few breaths. While breathing out, gradually bring your legs back to the ground and relax. Śīrṣāsana purifies the prana within, rouses the digestive fire of the stomach, and removes any stiffness of the body, along with wrinkled and loose skin. Eyesight is improved, and gray hair also turns black with time. This asana purifies the blood, and the impairments of the heart and chest are eliminated.